Hey there, welcome to Mix of World. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out our videos. Today, we are diving into the basics of HTML, the foundation of every website on the internet. Whether you are a complete beginner or just brushing up, this video will give you everything you need to get started. Let's jump in. First things first, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, but a markup language used to structure content on the web. Think of HTML as a skeleton of a web page. It defines headings, paragraphs, images, links, and much more. Let's talk about some common HTML tags that you'll use all the time. Headings. The H tag. This ranges from H1 to H6. Headings help structure your content. H1 is the largest font and H6 is the smallest. Second, paragraphs. We use the tag P for putting a regular text in the form of a paragraph. Third, links. We use the tag A to add any links that will direct us to any website or any other web page, and we put an href attribute to insert the URL for some web page or other document. And last but not the least, images. We use the img tag to put images and the src attribute for the image file. Every HTML document has a basic structure. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this, and this might look a bit overwhelming, but it's super simple. Let me break it down for you. First, the HTML tag. This is the root element that wraps up all the content on the page. You write your entire code between the two HTML tags. Now, the head tag. This tag contains the meta information about the page. It also has the title of the document. Now, last but not the least, the body tag. This is where all the visible content goes, like text, images, links, and the other content of the web page. Now, let's put all this together and create a simple web page. Open your favorite text editor, type this code, and save it. Now, don't worry if you don't know about any text editor, you can simply type your code in a notepad. I am just doing it in a Sublime Text software. Now, let's start. First of all, you will put the tag HTML, between which you will write your entire code. For closing any tag, you just have to put a slash before writing the tag. Now, we'll open and close the head tag. Now, we'll give the title as we saw earlier in the video. Title, and close the tag. And the title will give us the basics of HTML. Now, we'll start writing the entire body, for which we'll use the body tag. We'll open the tag, close the tag, and we will start writing the code. First, we'll give the heading with the largest font possible, H1. We'll open the tag, we will close the tag and give the heading. Basics of HTML. Now we'll use a smaller font for some smaller text like H3. We'll write this is an introduction to HTML, and we will close the H3 tag. Now we will put a regular text, and as I told earlier, for putting a text in a paragraph form, you would use the P tag. So we'll open the tag, we will close the P tag, and between it we will write some text. This is a YouTube video showing the basics of HTML hypertext markup language. This video is uploaded on the link. Now we will insert a link, for which I told you have to use a tag and an href attribute for the URL. You have to put an equal to sign, and for the link, 2 inverted commas. You can give any of the link. For example, let's give the link of Wikipedia. This link we'll copy and we will paste here. Our href tag is done. We'll close the tag. Don't forget to close it. Now we'll insert an image. For inserting an image, you'll have to use an img tag and the src attribute for the image. Again the same way, put an equal to sign and 2 double inverted commas and put the link or the name of the image between this. We will write here and the extension .jpg, and there you have it, a simple web page code with a heading, paragraph, link and an image. Open the file. We'll save the file, and you have your file with the heading, the basics of HTML, the subtitles, this is an introduction HTML, the paragraph, this is a YouTube video, and the following. We have the image as well. Yes, and you would wonder why the link is not displaying in this web page. It is because we didn't give a name to the link. Yeah, for giving the name to the link, we have to write for which name the link will be saved. For example, Wikipedia. Now save it. Here if we refresh, we'll get the link to see. If I click here, I'll be redirected to Wikipedia. So that's it for today's video on the basics of HTML. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Mix of World. Also, let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.